What is good, traders? This is Daniel Forex here, and I am very excited to come again to this YouTube and basically be sharing knowledge with you today. This is literally today I managed to catch over 650 to 60 pips on Usdjpy1, and all my students in the Telegram channel, they have been asking, Daniel, can you please draw for us the analysis of how you made this possible? So without further ado, basically I am gonna start. But before I start it, if you're new here, you're in the right place, and make sure you click on the red button to subscribe to this channel, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And without further ado, before you also continue, if you want to find the free Telegram channel, kindly click on the link in the description. It'll take you direct to my Telegram channel, and make sure you join. And we also have some discounts in our mentorship program. So basically, without further ado, let me jump straight. So the first thing I did was to come on GJ. Okay, this is the trade, but I had to come first on GJ. And on GJ, this is what I looked at in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, when I came to the 4-hour time frame, I saw that the market was already around this area. It was in this flip zone here. The market was around this flip zone. Okay, around here. So that one there was already telling me somewhere here. So that one was already telling me that the market is trying to change some, is going to continue to the downside. So what basically I did was to go back to USDJPY, and then make sure that I lined up. I analyzed from the 4-hour time frame. So what I did was basically, when I came to USDJPY, I pulled out my trend line, and I managed to draw a smooth trend line here like that. Okay, that is the first trend line which I did. Okay, now if you look from here, it's clearly a downtrend. Okay, with the lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, so lower highs and lower lows. So there is a probably a high here, a lower high followed by a lower low. So the next thing for me which I did was to go back, scale down to the 1-hour time frame. Okay, in the 1-hour time frame, I managed to establish areas of value. Okay, whereby I also had internal trend which I had to draw. Okay, internal trend which I managed to draw something like that before. Okay, that was in the morning at around 8 a.m. in the morning. So I managed to draw something like that, an internal trend, and I managed to also get down my areas of value, whereby I looked at this area as an area of value. Okay, with tapping here. Okay, and then we had another one here, and then we had this one, and the market, and we had this one. So there were basically 1, 2, 3 areas of value which I was looking at this morning. So what I did was to scale down now, since I have gotten my areas, and I also managed to draw a lower trend line here, and this trend line was telling me this could be a continuation pattern. Now if you are a trader of chart patterns, you realize that when market is in a downtrend, okay, when market is forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, then market tends to consolidate around this area. Okay, maybe market moves higher. Sorry, now it's not something like that. Let me try and delete this and start again. When market tends to form a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then market continues to be forming lower highs. Okay, lower highs now. Okay, somewhere like that. Then you have to pull down your trend. Okay, and form the pattern, the flag pattern. Okay, where you will have something like that, and then you have and then something like that. Okay, so from there you would be anticipating that market would surely drop down from here. Okay, because this is already a pattern which you should be looking at. So this was a vertical I did here. Okay, after here I had to scale down to the 15 minutes time frame, where I was looking for the entry zones now. Okay, now if you look critically here, this is where I had to now enter the trade. Okay, after the touch, okay, if you look clearly here, there was the first touch here, and then this is the touch that happened when I was available, okay, on the market. After the touch with this small candle, okay, followed by this red candle, which showed me this one, which I just deleted. This candle here, this really showed me that there is high possibility, this candle here, that there is high possibility the market would potentially move to the downside. So what I had to do basically was to wait for the next candle, okay, to form and close. So what I did was to wait for this next red candle, okay. After the closure of this red candle here, I managed to mark out a minor resistance, okay, a minor resistance. So minor resistance might not work, but basically I like to use them. Now this is what I marked out, okay. I looked at these various regions, okay. One, I saw this one, I saw another one here, I saw another one here, okay. This gave me a confluence and another one here. So this one gave me a confluence that this is going to be a minor, it's going to be something important, and the trend is going to be, that resistance, that minor resistance might hold the market for some short time, okay. So that thing gave me a confluence. So what I did was to enter exactly after the closure of that candle, okay. This is what I'm talking about, to enter at the closure of that candle, okay. And then I had 16 pips stop loss, okay, 16 pips stop loss, which is somewhere here. And then my target was basically the trend line, which I drew down here. So I had to pull the market all the way to the trend line, okay. And market, voila, managed to smash my take profit within some few minutes of trading. And then whoa, then market reversed all the way to the outside. And I call this trade to my Telegram channel. If I can show you, you can go to my Telegram channel, which I talked about. So this is it. I managed to call this trade here and say sell Usdjpy now. I had to give them all the modifications, okay. And then this was where I sent the signal exactly, okay. If you look critically in the photo which I took, the market went to that minor resistance which I talked about before pulling off all the way to some level here around 146.781. So this is where I executed the trade, and I also showed them when the market started moving. I also showed them, and then finally when the market almost hit TP, man, okay. So this is where I managed to flip this account a little bit because of the technology there, bro. So stop playing. This is what we are talking about. So if you have not subscribed, kindly go to this go to Daniel Forex, okay. Go to Daniel Forex Academy and make sure you join the free Telegram channel, because we are making money, brother. We're making money. So please kindly join that Telegram channel, and then we make money together. We want together this, and I'm out. Make sure you click on the red button to subscribe so we can be trading together. Boom, I'm out.